It is Wednesday, September 24th. This is day 19, trading and investing with $11,307.47 in our portfolio. Today I had taken 2 trades, which I am not proud of. I'm proud of the first one, not of the second. United Health, $153, and so after that, like an actual dummy, I got overconfident, and then I took a second trade on OKLO, psyching myself into thinking that it was an entry, and I lost $137 on that trade. So really for the day I made, I believe, $19 instead of $153. So I think what I'm gonna make for myself is a rule: you take 2 trades maximum, but if you win the first trade, you can't take a second trade. Also, I was not great with the stop loss on the second trade because I was being emotional. I was saying it can reverse, and it eventually did reverse and go up to that 140 that I said it would. However, my entry was poor. So even if I was wrong on that second trade, I would have got out and had $50 realized profit for the day, but no. So I sold the LULU contract, which was actually also really aggravating today. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I had set my stop loss at like 173. It didn't hit the stop loss because it went under that 173 really quickly, I guess. So I just manually sold it because I didn't want it to break past and and go down further. So let me also show you guys. We made $325 off of that trade, but then it proceeds to go up all the way to 179, which is really annoying. But I also sold it because of certain news. Like if you can see right here, I think it's called Baird downgraded Lululemon to neutral from outperform and cut its price target to 195. This price target as low as 160. So that in my head said, okay, this could reverse against us pretty fast if it breaks some sort of level. And that 173 was the level that I was looking at for it to. If it goes past that, it could go down from there. And so that's my thesis for selling it. Maybe I'll get back in, maybe not. It depends. If I see some sort of pullback that I like, I might get back in it. But yeah, that's what we have. I think I bought 1 Nike share today, and the rest is we're just waiting on it. We're waiting on. At a certain point today, we were up because of Weeble, but eventually, market went right back down. So yeah, that's all we really have to show for today. Tomorrow, I'm gonna try and get in these markets, try and be a bit more conscious. See, like maybe even trading this OKLO. I like these levels. This 129. It looks really enticing, but that's not to say that it can go down further. Also, paying attention to the SPY is also important because it sort of kind of dictates the majority of the movement of these stocks, the direction of the SPY. And once I thought I saw a reversal in the SPY, that's why I got into OKLO, because I said, okay, this could be the reversal that I'm looking for. And the reversal did happen. It happened. However, it was delayed by probably 30 minutes to an hour. It happened, but it just wasn't a good entry. It was a rushed entry. So that was also not great on my part. But what was good was that I did not take more than 2 trades. Before, I would probably have taken 2 more trades after the 2 trades, because it was really, I'm not even gonna lie, guys, I was throwing the tantrum after I lost that second trade. I was losing it, but we have things to work on, things to improve. That's it. At least we have more buying power now. But we're not trying to literally, like, what I would do is just use up every single last buying power and always be invested in something all the time. Like, I think I need to relax on that. To be honest, I gotta relax. So what we're doing is trying to make good trades. If I see a swing trade I like, I'll go for a swing trade with a really great expiration. I mean, like 8 months, honestly. 6 months. Okay, 6 months at least. Expiration. That's the type of swing trading I want to do. You know. But other than that, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Be ready. We're about to make some money tomorrow. Again, it's just showing up, and we're gonna compound this account. Compound gains. All right, we're not gonna lose it all this time. We're gonna make sure we're using our stop losses so we can preserve this capital. All right. With that, I'm gonna say peace. Have a good one.